Hi friends, this is Krishna. I'm 10 and I'm with my little sister,
Gianna.
She's 4. Today we're going to be making G for girl. If you've watched my other videos, you probably know that we're doing an A to Z drawing challenge, as you can say. We're making like the alphabet and then we're going to turn it into something with the letter. Like G is for girl. And G is for
Gianna.
Yeah, but we're making a girl. This drawing was really fun to make. So, if you would like to make this cute little girl with me, you can keep on watching this video. Make sure not to forget to like and subscribe and share to all of your friends so they can draw this cute girl too.
Okay, friend, let's start drawing.
Okay, first we're gonna make the letter G.
I love doing small G's.
Yeah, we're gonna make a dot here. I'm gonna do the same thing, but just don't do anything yet.
It's too small.
From here, we're gonna make a big C.
We always do small C's.
Okay, now from here, we're gonna make it go here. Do you want me to make a dot for you?
Yeah.
Let's do it right here. It's a big G.
Why do you need
And then from here, we're going to make a line. Okay, now we're going to make our girl's bow. I'm gonna make a circle here. And then I'll make 2 triangles. The triangle needs to touch right here, okay? And I'll make one here. And like this one, triangle needs to touch there. Now from here, I'm gonna make her ponytail. I'm gonna add a little curve from here, yeah. And then I'm gonna make this go down. Now from here, I'm gonna make an ear. It looks like a weird ear, but that's fine. It's okay. Good job. Now I am going to make her hair. I'm gonna make little zigzag lines. Time to make the face. We are going to make the eyes. So from here, we're gonna make...
What is the girl's name?
Let's name it Gianna, since her name is Gianna.
I'm naming Krishna because you always do the ponytails.
Okay, now we're gonna make her eyes. We're going to make a U shape here. So here. Big eyes. And then we're gonna end it off with the little U shape. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. Do you want me to make you your dots?
No.
Okay. Okay. Now, on the inside, we're gonna make a little curve.
I'm making a big one because it's looking down and up. Because I'll feel something.
Okay, now on the inside of the eyes, I'll make little half circles and then fill in.
Here or here?
You can fill it in here.
But not the outside. Get in it.
Yeah, you don't fill in the outside. Look how mine, there's a little white part. There's a white part over here, and then there's a white part over here. Now we're gonna make the eyelashes. We're gonna make 2 triangles. Now we'll make the nose. I'm gonna make a little bump for the nose. It's a cartoon nose. And then I'll make her face. Little smile. And I'll make that go down.
Can I make teeth and tongue?
Yeah, we're gonna do that too. But first we're gonna make the smile. Okay, now we're going to make a little line for the teeth. and a tongue. Great job. And then we're gonna color all of this in.
Why not the red?
Because the tongue is gonna be red, and if the tongue and the mouth are both red, it's gonna clash together.
Tongue and mouth are red together. I don't do anything.
Okay, now I'm going to make...
Stay white?
Yeah, the teeth will stay white.
It's the teeth will be blue.
What? Okay, now we're gonna make the neck. We're gonna make 2 lines.
I don't know how to make next.
Well, I'm gonna teach you now. And since you already have this line, you can just follow that. Just overlap it.
Oh, it's like a worm.
Now, you already did this part, but we're gonna make a line here. And then I'm gonna make 2 lines coming up.
So that's the t-shirt?
Yeah, it's a t-shirt.
I'm doing this part first.
Okay, we'll make a little curve on both sides. And make it go down.
There's the hands and the legs.
The hands are gonna be here. We're gonna make 2 lines following.
Like this?
Yeah, like that.
Oh,
It's okay. Now from here, I'm gonna make her a little like design on her shirt.
I'm making her little design too. Oops.
And I'll add a bow over here so it looks cute.
I'm adding 1 heart and a bow. And the other heart. That.
Okay, great job. Now we're gonna make a button. All right, great job. Time to make the buttons.
Oh, buttons are designed too.
Yeah, they are designs. We're gonna make 3 little circles.
1, 2, and 3.
And we're gonna make a line coming down. So like, pretend there's a line going down here. So like, yeah. There, 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 and then finish it off. Good job.
What is that?
Huh?
What is the line?
She's
for?
wearing like a jacket, so it's gonna be buttoned up.
How we take out it?
You unbutton it. Now we are going to make the little hairlines. We'll just follow this. And then from here, we'll just make lines. Not too many. All right. Now we're done with our girl. So
Yes.
now it's time to color her.
Yeah.